Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing butter chicken very fast. So first we're going to go ahead and get our spices going, always in the description, so don't worry about that. As you can see, we have the tomatoes there. We removed the cores and we put 2 slits into the skin so that we can remove the skin once we've gotten our water at a rolling boil. Now that we have the spice all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and create an ice bath for our tomatoes. Once they are finished with the rolling boil, we want to make sure we stop the cooking process because we don't actually want to cook the tomatoes right now. While we're doing that, we're going to also measure out some other ingredients like the cream and the butter. Once we have the rolling boil, we're going to go ahead and add the tomatoes into the rolling boil and keep them in for about 30 seconds. After we've done that, we're going to take them out and plunge them directly into an ice bath. You can immediately start peeling once you have the tomatoes cooled down a bit. This step is necessary if you want to have a smooth and silky butter chicken sauce. Once the skin is off, we're going to give them a quick chop and then we can go ahead and start with our sauce. We're going to add a little bit of grapeseed oil in the pot and then we're going to add onions, realizing that the element that we're using is clearly not powerful enough. So we're going to go ahead and move over to the stove. Once they're brown, we're going to add some garlic and ginger. And then shortly after, tomato paste as well, allowing that to get fragrant. And then once that's all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add all of our spices. You want to toast them for a bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes, and after that, begin to form the base of our sauce. Once that's all incorporated and you've had it going for a few minutes, we're going to transfer it to a blender and blend up the sauce so it's nice and silky smooth. Once done, add it all back into the pot and add your cream, and then shortly after, cold butter so that it can emulsify with the sauce correctly. Once we're all done with that, we can go ahead and add some salt, give it a taste, and add more if necessary. Onto the chicken. We have boneless legs here. We're gonna start measuring out our ingredients. We're gonna add them in and begin to mix with some yogurt. Once that's all finished, we're going to go ahead and place them on a greased pan, cook them through in the oven for about half an hour at 350 degrees, flipping halfway through and broiling to get them crispy, and then you can go ahead and add them directly into the sauce and your butter chicken is complete. It looks delicious. We'll see you next week, guys.